Create an interactive playlist with Yodeck. Use your mouse, keyboard, touchscreen, or remote control to navigate back and forth between the media in your playlist. You can also pause and play content and even access specific media within the playlist from the menu. This is a feature for the premium and enterprise customers. To create an interactive playlist, go to the Playlists tab and click Add New Playlist. Then select Interactive Playlist. Give the playlist a name and an optional description. Configure the interactive settings by selecting the control themes and decide if you want the navigation controls to be displayed on screen. Select the duration for which the playlist will be paused for before it resumes playing whenever you click pause. Then add your media, apps and layouts as usual. Drag and drop onto the playlist timeline and select the media's duration. Just note that interactive playlists don't support the Playlist in Playlist feature. Click Save and your playlist will be ready to display. Subscribe to our premium or enterprise plan and create your interactive playlist today.